Hi, my name is Kat and I'm a government major here at Suffolk University and I'm from Taunton, Massachusetts. Right now we are outside of our Stahl building located at 73 Tremont Street, right here on the Freedom Trail in the heart of downtown Boston. Let me show you inside. One of the features of this building is Studio 73. It's our very own television studio here at Suffolk University. We have multiple opportunities for students to be on-air personalities. One that I would like to feature is Suffolk in the City, a partnership with New England Cable News that features student anchors. Another popular space in this building, and one of my favorites, is the Sawyer Library, right this way. The Sawyer Library is a great place to relax or study, but it's an even better space to watch the victory parades. One of my favorite memories is watching Tom Brady drive by in the duck boats after the Patriots won the Super Bowl. For those days when we aren't celebrating Boston sports teams, we have group study rooms available for students. We also have the Poetry Center, which is a great community gathering space for students to practice poetry and creative writing. Here at Suffolk University, a lot of our classes give us the opportunity for experiential learning. As an entrepreneurship minor, I have had the opportunity to present and receive feedback from Boston area executives. Our small class sizes make it easy to have a good student-faculty relationship. Our professors are required to have office hours every week, which makes it even easier to build this relationship. For the past few years, there's one professor that I have had every year, and she has been an amazing connection for me. She has helped me with internships and opportunities throughout Boston and even around the world. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really enjoyed showing you the Stahl building and sharing my experiences with you.